In a forest, the adage "you can't have one without the other" holds true for both biotic and abiotic components. They cooperate to maintain a healthy forest ecology. Consider a plant that grows in a forest. Although it is biotic, it would perish without abiotic supplies such as rain and sunlight. Abiotic factors can sometimes have a negative impact on biotic factors. Deforestation, for example, is occurring all around the world, and forests are rapidly dwindling. This has an impact on all living things in the forest, which is why many scientists are researching the long-term effects of deforestation on our environment. Above all, it's critical to recognize and comprehend the significance of the interaction between abiotic and biotic components. The more we learn about it, the better. In addition, although soil is abiotic, it is vital for the survival of most live species. The soil provides nourishment and water to the plant that grows within it. When it rains, the earth absorbs all of the water that falls, and the plant roots absorb the water to keep the plant hydrated and alive. Soil provides support for the plant, allowing the roots to absorb water and maintain the plant upright, keeping it alive. Most small rodents dig burrows in the dirt to create their homes, and soil plays a vital role in their life as well. The hole provides refuge for the animal, allowing it to survive any weather changes that may occur. Furthermore, all plants and animals require water to survive. The creature will not thrive without water and will become dehydrated. Water bodies are extremely vital to the ecology as a result of this factor. Fishes, amphibians, and algae are all aquatic animals that live beneath the water's surface. Because the river serves as a decent water source, there are notable number of plants growing on its banks. Water helps land animals stay hydrated, digest their food, and build body fluids. Animal homes and burrows are usually found near bodies of water. Animals also need water to carry out cellular activity. Water helps animals stay hydrated, digest their food, and build body fluids. Moreover, we carry out our everyday responsibilities. We play our roles in life. Still, we have a tendency to neglect essential people and things in the process. It's not tough to figure out what's over here. Many of you will say, "Of course, I'm concerned and I do take care of the environment." This forces us to bear the consequences of not being eco-friendly. This is significant since only we human beings have the responsibility to protect our environment. In addition, wildlife like trees is a domestic asset that provides economical, recreational, and aesthetic benefits in addition to helping to maintain ecological balance. There was a time when the number of wild animals was fairly vast. Human influence was minimal and their safety and conservation were not a concern. However, as a farming, settlement, industrialization, and other development activities advanced, and mostly owing to man's service, the number of wild animals fell. As a result, some animal species have become extinct or are on the verge of becoming extinct. More so, wildlife loss is also exacerbated by deforestation. Wild animals are slaughtered in large numbers all throughout the world for their flesh, bones, fur, teeth, hair, skin, and other body parts. The need for wildlife conservation has now become a necessity. Many constraints on wildlife's natural habitat include population increase, agricultural and livestock development, urban and road construction, and pollution. In addition to unlawful hunting, habitat loss and degradation have posed a threat to the biodiversity of large areas. Wildlife preservation does not only blanket protection for all species of fauna and flora, rather, it entails maintaining adequate, judicious control over the expansion of crops and animals that interact in order to offer a suitable environment for the man whose life is on the line. In the past, due to the irrational use of the Earth's natural and biotic resources, most wildlife was demolished after recovery. It is our immediate responsibility to safeguard the ecosystem's natural splendor and to develop a system of ecosystems with every living creature on Earth. Thus, deforestation continues at an unacceptably high rate. Although the net loss of forest area is diminishing because of forest planting, landscape restoration, and spontaneous extension of forests on abandoned land. According to the report, forests are increasingly being maintained and managed for numerous purposes and values, including climate change mitigation, biodiversity conservation, and soil and water resource conservation. Forests contribute greatly to local and national economies, as well as the well-being of present and future generations if they are maintained responsibly.